In this video, I wanted to talk about this old GoPro Hero 3 Plus, that's a mouthful, that I picked up. It's obviously used, and this would be my second GoPro, the first one being the Hero Session that I also picked up used. This one records at 2K, and it's a cute little cube. This one's the classic GoPro, I'm going to say, and it's at 1080p. It's a 1080p, and I think it's at 50 frames. Basically an old GoPro I picked up. I was pretty impressed by it. I actually picked this up as a C grade, so I was expecting it to be in terrible condition with like everything scratched, but it looks like almost A or mint. Maybe some scuffs, so you could say it's B, but it's really in good condition. So because it was in such a good condition, it stopped me from doing what I wanted to originally do. So originally I picked this guy up to just gut it and literally tear it down to get the lens out. Because I wanted this lens from the GoPro, and this was the easiest GoPro to tear apart, or the cheapest one I could find. And I didn't want to tear this one apart, because this one was kind of like the good GoPro. When I say good, like the high-res 2K one, and this was kind of tear me apart GoPro. Regardless of that, now I won't be doing that, because it's such in good condition that I'm going to keep it as is. But regardless, I thought, just for anybody who wanted to pick up a old GoPro that was a Hero 3, it might be alright for your use case. I don't know what your use case is, depends on what you want to do with it, but for 1080, 50 frames per second, it's not bad. Maybe the footage isn't the greatest. I had a sneak peek, I haven't used it. It's not the greatest footage, but it's not the worst footage. It's adequate. And it's a GoPro with a wide field of view. The field of view is not the same as this field of view. At least I noticed in my initial comparison. So I don't know what the spec is on this, to be honest with you. The Hero Session that I just showed earlier, this one is 170 degrees field of view. This one is not that, I know that much, but I don't know what it is. And obviously the lens is way different. So it's just a quick video to show you that even this old GoPro is still impressive. It has the little LCD thing, kind of photo settings. You can trigger between modes, and you use the second button to kind of navigate it. You can go to settings and stuff, reset it. Regardless, I was impressed overall. That's it for this video. So if you enjoyed that, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.